Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show how I can create a show desktop button on Windows. Okay, so it's super easy. The first thing you want to do is obviously go to your desktop and you want to right click on it, hover over new, and then you want to go ahead and click on shortcut, which here is going to ask you to type the location of the item. So what you're going to do is go into the link of the description of the video. You're going to copy and paste this code here. Now you can always type it out manually, but it will take ages and you're probably going to make some mistakes, so I recommend just copying it. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on next, and here it's going to ask for a name for the shortcut. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it show desktop. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on finish. So that's your show desktop icon completed, but it can get a bit confusing with the Windows Explorer icon. So we're going to change the icon by right clicking on the file, clicking on properties, then clicking on change icon. Once here, you just want to select all of this text here, and you want to paste the text that I put in the description again. And if your version of Windows is installed on a different drive, you just want to remove where it says C at the start of the text and type in what drive it's installed to. So it's a D drive, just type D instead. Once you've done that, you just want to go ahead and click OK, and then it should come up with a list of icons here. So you want to go ahead and select an icon that you think is best for you. I'm just going to select the plain one here, what's already selected, and go ahead and click on OK. Then you want to go ahead and click on apply, and then click on OK, and your icon will change. Now you can do whatever you want with this shortcut, so you can right click it, and you can go ahead and pin it to the taskbar. So let's say if I get a window up like this, I can always just click on this little icon and it'll show the desktop straight away. There are alternative ways of doing it, but they're a bit more awkward. So in the bottom right hand corner there's this little tab. You can go ahead and click on that, it does the same thing. Or you can click on the Windows icon and D on your keyboard and that would do the same thing, but it won't reverse the process. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.